We dey salute una for outside the country people them. Tori for this afternoon. People them for SDF, Social Democratic Party for country. They don't talk. Say they go shit on right for all the results and even the election the way they don't pass for country. According to them, now vote them way it no make sense for inside country. We go to talk that chapter as we neck in meet up for that side. So for Yawinde this weekend where it pass. Now so say we go take on for West Region according to waiting where His Royal Highness Jean Ramon Sokojo he don't talk concerning this regional vote. He said governor he don't only use now the traditional chief them for duty we want for do. According to Jean Ramon Sokojo, he dey try for talk say waiting say even if they get house of chief or house of representative, so far as we parliament people them they never fit for make any order then it pass fine. Now so to the chiefs them where they go be for the house for chief they go remain quiet. Tori too for this afternoon country people them we go take una turn back for Boya for Palace for Chief Ikomengale where they meet up in their body for Sunday for inside Boya Day. Sabi Sepsi Oga D.O. Abba Abdurrahman for Boya subdivision and Honorable Sembe Malomba. They be there on Monday for try for check and talk Asia for family as well they continue for make sense and for find people the way they do that kind of working for that chief for that side. So for mile 14 newspaper them too we go look where to them get this afternoon. Two people them there where they don't lost their family they find them wanna go help them too for find them. Big part of for this afternoon editor we say Pikin way Imami di say Chako one day he too he go wear white clothes. Say Pikin way Mami di say Chako one day he says he go wear white clothes. Yvette Bonfen na SSF send we big part of for this afternoon event. E be na we come be for Facebook. We return back some more time. Plenty glad for salute say for salute tonight again this afternoon and glad again say we don't meet up for chapter 2 for Tori for Equinox Tori House this afternoon. As we go start Tori sep, we go start now for that side where they call them say Bamenda country people them. Now for inside in Tamulong on a Monday as we afternoon don't start go down small sun don't start go down. Now for that side so for Bamenda where people them from Tamulong they catch some two thief boy them as we Tori enter for we ear they become them three where they be one go thief for inside some house with a gun. Now where the population sep talk say you don't too much say plenty of the time them they boy they don't come for sick and say the whole gun they make them population it the fear it the thief that thing then go with them but this time around on a Monday the population sep from Tamulung talk say lie to lie they no go left them again for continue for the thief they make them open eye with the gun. Now where the population it fall on top two of these thief boy them as we fall on top them they start for knock them so till last they bring them now for Central Road. Now for Central Road where they so they bring tire them put them on top the thief people them we where they show them yes but Sabi say inside we country law it the way he talk say make population it no take power for a hand. This kind of case when they don't finish nakam they be get for every level for police people them or gendarme any of the way come first so that they go continue from there. Sabi say law for country it talk no for this kind of thing them for say catch the man you knock him on top knocking you put fire on top his skin. Sabi say the uniform people there they become for corner say the one hold the boy them they deny they talk say the one uses the one them for show example for the other thief people there they ever come from Tamulung for come disturb people them so as soon as Sabi the fire in bomb so they even army rescue people them for senior warrant officer Takupol where they be land for they say the one struggle for commode this their body they no be fit as we Tori enter for we ear and Sabi said that will happen for on Monday. Now only today where army rescue people them for senior warrant officer they turn back for the place where the thing happen Takupol and the boy them they go commode the die body where they do already born them for inside tire. Now today where they turn back from Tamulung for commode that die body as we Tori enter for inside we ear. Place where they call themselves say Banja Street, so for inside Bamenda country people. Before we come up for can come back for sideway concern custom people then from Gaundere, Alcomi 3 for Gaundere where they don't put down for this cargo them. all that thing on the see am so with the hearsay and lapa them. Rapper where they be the transfer am, they don't go buy am, then they bring am from Gaundere. But the people they no pass for the correct road. So custom people they be don't give them challenge this year. As well the year they finish and they start the other year, they get for start make money for country. So I be say normal. Custom side now which you get for the make country get plenty money and they ever dodge custom people then. So this time the custom people they don't wise, they don't shine their eye them, their antenna. They pick all kind of dirty game the way they pass just now. So this cargo them now custom people them have coming 3 for that side from Gaundere where they catch this carton them and a bag for close them wrapper where they don't go buy them. They be the pass now for backside roads just for sick and say they run custom for pay their money. Inside Yawende country people them now also work for Halcomi 3 this time. Now the custom people them for that side for Yawende where they cash plenty carton them for cargo them where they be the bring them for country for backside. We never talk say them cargo them they don't spoil but now just for sick say the people them they be one dodge for pay custom people them now why that way the custom too a cash them where the year say they cash 180 carton them when a cargo they be there inside and for inside we get some 2 machine that way they make ice cream where they catch them for inside the carton. Now the 2 machine them that and the other carton them we get 50 carton them for olive oil where it is so the custom people them for side for Yawende they catch them waiting make them we don't talk. Come direct, you can pay a custom if your cargo them clean. Then for say you go for backside. Now when they catch and so for backside, now when they seize them, they don't even ask any question. As we to enter for inside we here. We go remain for work for custom and even people there they work for airport for Yawende and Simaleng Airport for Yawende side, Douala International Airport for Douala side here. We hear say custom and people there they work for airport, they don't put scanner for this scanner na some machine where you throw your back for that whole so as well they see the machine they see all things as well as they see so for that computer when your cargo enter it they see all the thing every day. Now it means say if some kind of thing they like gone it they inside your bag they go sabi if they carry a bone them for diamond inside your bag the machine go scan all things so they don't put the machine for your window where it go to see all inside your bag where your bag it pass where you say the one now for special for this mandamba small picky mandamba where it come for we country where they call them say shan so just now Simalen Airport for your when they don't get this machine where go to scan people them back now so to Douala Airport too they don't put their own one as we tori it enter inside we here. Just now, we go take on a enter for quarter where they call them say Banya for inside northwest region for Bamenda. 8 o'clock from Banya Street, also on the sea. Now some house where the say daylight for the way been at the powerhouse for people the way they local light where the house it catch fire for 8 o'clock on Monday for evening time country people as way to re-enter for we here. Now population say for Banja quarter where they be come out for outside for that 8 o'clock for Sika as well the light it be the as well the fire start for cash. Sabi say worry light you know it go off one time for that side so for Banja quarter. So population that then say they start for lost fire before motor self for workplace for army rescue for senior warrant officer Takupol them say they come for place where them the column say waiting place where them the column say Banja Street for inside Bamenda. So army rescue one come where population to be already held up for lost the fire but they come do the last work for lost the fire. No person no die, no person no get caught. Cause for that fire you ask me I go she don't quiet I know sabitin where it provoked that fire for that side so for Banja Street inside Bamenda. Now so said we go enter just now for inside chapter for politics. I be say Nash neck winner for SDF where it concern all the big people them for SDF mayor them and other people them. They be meet up for the first time after plenty time where they never ever she done for Sika Corona and for Sika Sepa ni John Frundi too. He says it be the outside country and this Donga men as way Honorable O.C. Joshua talk now just start where they don't start their political work them again. again for inside SDF. Sabisep say inside in the two-way pass, they be look the regional, they be look the municipal and legislative votes we pass for a country where SDF says a big part. According to Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche, he try for talk say they so na some kind of magu with CPDM. He make them for that side, so for Southwest and Northwest where people they no vote. So them say they don't look that palava fine. Say small time SDF he go come out wrong on top that magu it happen for that side, so for Northwest and Southwest. Sabisep say Pani John Frundi. Yeah, he says be talk say it they so we they invite boy the to chance say me they can shoot so that them they no fit come out for go vote. So all that kind of thing them now we Ninche talk say they go come out talk am again. Chapter for Guy Kassingo for council of them for SDF where they come out for vote for this number inside this regional vote we just passed for SDF calling people. They don't talk say they no go talk am now, but they go meet up again for February 2021 for special next meeting. Now that time they go sit down for talk that one and for see whether they go keep Kassingo. But just now they don't try for look away SDF. It never work a fine. They don't talk say they go see which way they go do, and on top that one they go come out with their own report concerning the municipal and legislative votes where it pass inside we country as we people them for neck. They talk as we they meet up for inside Yawende. Manadin, maybe we'll go just go for the other images now. We be the talk. You know this start show for we. Now image we consign big man and Valet for that side. So for gendarme people them or army people them for inside the Bamenda. We go take una just now. We go for the different image for side for Bamenda. So na Sabi Brigadier General and Valet. Where he says be big man for army people them. It be there so for that side. So for inside place. So they call them Bamenda for place them like through our Esu and Ndu. Sabi say the one if we go follow up for the operation where soldier them they be don't make them for that side. So where they call them say waiting, where they call them say through our Esu and even Ndu, and he don't promise say if they so they go continue operation Bamenda clean as we don't turn back as we be land for that side for through our they be give even title you see and say Cavalier when a country close now so to it can shoot on people then say that they look and so he don't promise say they go continue for do the work for some better way and they count for the population too for support them for saying they come out bad boy them inside town according to way Nkavale he don't talk but Sabi for inside Frawa Nkavale he no carry only the Brigadier General he carry another title where they give him for that side and a country title as we Tori enter for inside we here. For place where they call them say Tiko, we go land for Likumba country people them for Likumba they tell we say since we this problem for Southwest and Northwest it starts them say they don't suffer bad so they will no day Sabi say plenty binet them they don't fall and na so say people them they know they again where they do binet for that side water say it been a big problem for that side light it be to now another problem so the people then just now on top this suffer they beg say make last make things they can be fine again so that they go feel free inside the town as well they be the talk for women Davidson Maimo for inside Lekumba.
For other sites, all time we want to try or beg government the hell we fees cap. That was a bit difficult. We manage.
We always suffer before the meet up, but we still struggle for at least celebrate the Christmas. We don't even get any hope for the end of the year.
And just for Sabi for Sika problem where they worry these people them for Tiko municipality for the whole Tiko. Their mayor, His Royal Highness Mesoso, he says he be there outside. He don't make small damba where he gather all the population for Tiko for the different quarter them. Where then says they become for outside. He call them say peace Ndamba Peace Tournament, as we they call them. Now for say waiting, make the population for Tico as we hear the end. Make them say they forget we don't pass for 2020. Then they try for the check sense as we they go for before. Oga Asongwe Cletus Dio for that side for Tico to be there present as we use them for Tico. They gather for that side so for Likumba Schoolfield for C as we they glad this Peace Tournament we na Oga His Royal Highness Mesoso we na the mayor for side for Tico Sesebi happen and he don't talk. Sabi say apart from the Ndamba we be pass, they be get to even some more running we be pass inside the Tico concerning this peace tournament. And people then for Tico they get now one thing for them up. They beg and say make peace. It turn back for town.
Police for Likumba. We no want a peace. Want me country come back. As we really all in the work of fight.
Yes, we go come out for that side. So for Likumba, we take on a waka go for West region. And we talk, come out away again, His Royal Highness, Jean Hamon Sokojo for that side. So for West, he don't come out. Oga Chief, he don't talk, say this regional votes, where it happen for country, when achieves them, they don't put them for before. He say na way, that way in Gomna, he don't use them for full chiefs them, where it they so, they make them enter for politics. And Sabi say Jean Hamon Sokojo, he try for talk say waiting. Say this regional votes we don't come with the talk say they want make a regional house for assembly. According to he, just as we honor them and Senate, they never fit for talk no better thing. They just we get Jean Ramon Sokojo. I know Sabi also manage enter for different side. Yes, I just the thing that would just continue for talk as we would talk on top this chapter and with the talk say this so according to the chief he say power he did for Yahweh day say no the see as the chiefs the way they go be for the house for chiefs or the house of representative for the different regions them they go fit for solve the problem where they happen just now for country where power she done for one side and again Sabi say Jean Ramon Sokojo on top he come out he glad plenty for CC Professor Maurice Kamto after plenty time we don't shit down for a house last they don't last grease say make it come out for outside as we he said a writer for a book he say fighting for say Professor Maurice Kamto he don't come out for outside again as we Tori enter for we ear but Jean Ramon Sokojo he don't talk say make that people them too where they for bush where they also take gun against their country make them come out for outside make they come make they shit don't talk peace and for say make peace it turn back for inside we country so total as we His Royal Highness Jean Ramon Sokojo he talk say number one say the regional votes you know the see whether change it go come whether the regional house of assembly or for chiefs them come they say no nothing it no go ever change. Number two thing he talk palaver concerning Maurice Kamto as we they don't free and again he call for people them where they hold gun for their hand where they for bush where they fight against country say may they come out may they make peace with country say now only when they feel for look all the way the worry country fine now that time where they true peace it go enter for country but all the other small thing that they do and just now according to he that one he no go help for say make Cameroon or make country it go for before now they come out in that with Jean Hamon Sokojo His Royal Highness for that side for West region he talk for a Facebook page as we Tori enter for we ear. And one of the call for His Royal Highness Jean Ramon Sokojo be then and say, may boy then come up for outside, may they keep their gun. For that side for Boya, Sabi say people them for mile 14, that is also cry, their chief, His Royal Highness, Ikome Ngale, where he says at the meet up in die body on Sunday. Chief for that side for mile 14, he be the glad for enter New Palace before the can't go kill him. Now for Sikawai that way the deal for that side for Boya, Abba Abdurrahman and Oga Honorable Honor Esembe Malumba. All them they be there for the chief palace when the palace that where the chief Buak open that house on the Siam before they become chief them 3 mile 15 and mile 16 chief plus the mile 14 chief. Just now also Sabi die body for Ikome Ngale he dey for co-house for Boya mortuary but Oga Dio for Boya side Oga Abba Abdurrahman he don't talk for the family say time na time for people them for do it in na time for people them for she done again start open their eye them fine for Sabi who he be a neighbor and for call people them when you see some stranger for your corner where you know Sabian. Sabi say honor Esembe Malumba will be the honorable for side for Boyatu be follow G.O. He go for that side, so for mile 14 he don't talk Ashia for the family and he too don't join more for talk. Say they go continue for the shine their eye and for prayer for say waiting. Make this chapter for killing he finish. Sabi say die for Chief Ikomengale. He just come way he did so people them for Fako, they never finish cry. The other chief for Leula Malale where they kill and the Bonny Palace. Plenty cry there for town and people they also continue for back. On top this chapter, why Fako and why thing the way they happen for the Sabi say chapter for inside Northwest West. People that we don't start for see say we don't quiet only for this kind of one again for come out for inside Fako division. Just for Sabi, Congo Saibi enter we say this so chief for mile 15 and that one for mile 16. They be left them on Monday as Tori he enter for inside we here. Make we enter just now for waiting way corona for inside country then for the whole world. The number as we dey for outside. And the tell we say na 72,253,804 people them total case where they don't get them inside the whole world. As of number 14 day for this year 47,249,760 people that already well for the whole world and 1,612,367 people that already died. Number the way John Hopkins University Ekomotam on Monday, different country where they give you update and give a country people them update all time concerning corona. Na Nigeria, when a Buhari country only for Monday, na 201 new cases Nigeria get for corona. Total 73,374 where they do already get the 16 so enter for Buhari country. 66,314 people that already well since when they sick enter Buhari a country for Nigeria and 1,197 people that already die since when corona he enter Nigeria. Buhari a country South Africa he dey like say all day for South Africa the number they go for before. So if you get plan for go for South Africa you get for look out better way. Sabi so for South Africa on Monday now 5,163 people that way they catch out with the corona sick as well wanna the CM for that side. Sabi say doctor they already test 5 million plus people them on top the sick inside that number 800 plus people that we don't get the sick since we come and 700 plus people that don't already well. Why 23,000 plus people that already die for South Africa for Sika corona as we wanna say wanna see for that side. And just for Sabi, moto de way de so he don't losses and just now it been a chapter where they pack moto for outside country people them inside this chapter. Sabi say some moto de way they pack them for dom up for money house. Have a duala here where the year say the thief moto where they pack and just for dom up na pay moto and the people then say where they do the chapter they beg na beg for say make the try for look that chapter well. We go surely the turn back for that one. Make we take on a talk this small picking man Damba team where they already land for side with the column say Equatorial Guinea Malabo and Sabi say one time where the people them land for that side for Equatorial Guinea. Now so to waiting they enter for field for start for do small a show. Sabi say they be get for play today against DR Congo. But as well some one of the country charge it come up for this competition. Now under 20 man Damba team Unifac as well as Sabi the competition at Unifac we again under 20 picking them me say picking them they never pass 20 years now them they dey for Malabo so for this small picking competition as we to re-enter for we here but they go also play against DR Congo but just so Sabi one country chart it don't come up for the competition so just now only around 3 or 4 countries there they remain inside this chapter so Cameroon is also the wait for play against DR Congo even as with the competition it don't get some small shaking for Sika chat we it come up for the now Prime Minister Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he dey for Douala since for morning time country people them Sabi say waka for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he dey na for check as we Douala, Benin capital, don't prepare for talk. Come good for stranger them where they go to start enter country small time for this small picking man damba where they call him say Chan where he go pass for we country next month. So Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute, he did turn for all the field them. Now so too, he go turn to for hospital, he try for check bed. With the prayer and a prayer, we know the talk bad for country. Make the carry Prime Minister to go for Omnisport Stadium, Bepanda, make they pass for that front road, make they no pass for backside road. Make the pass of front road so that except you go use the eye. Except say they don't go feed the whole them. Make it see way to way people then say that they suffer and they feel where go the talk come good for people them. So I glad say don't come for Douala and I want to say make it follow up for see say they pass it with it for that front road for Bepanda Omnisport fee where we don't decry for this side. Plenty time. By tomorrow we go turn back with a video concerning the worker for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute for Douala here. Newspaper the day outside. We start with the Voice newspaper with the Voice. In the try for tell with the chapter for Queen Elisa, people them where they make law, where they say they don't try for make. We try for understand that 1961 agreement where we be get them for B2 Cameroon. They don't try for look inside that law again, but they know the people understand. The Voice in the look to inside chapter for vote for Ate Bazor, like the first Anglophone man for B on top Sonakam problem for Mutumbu people the association. We go to look out all Mutumbu people them problem. Come to two a name a day for inside the Voice this morning afternoon. I saw the newspaper there outside. Other to read the day now for you for buy the Voice. The guidance post in the tell you today as we Frundi a coach some Anglophone Tory man. Now waiting be the coach. The guidance post we get them for inside. You go read them inside the guidance post. You go read Tory as a well health organization. It don't give Musanga from Kunkuma for Sika the kind of way it look out coronavirus for your own country. Order to read them inside the guidance post. You go fit for read them as we the come out this afternoon. Another newspaper for inside country peoples. Now breaking news, and for breaking news, one of their strong number this afternoon where you feel enter for inside read it concern this regional vote and how will the team be passed on Northwest and Southwest, how it go help them. You feel for read that chapter for inside breaking news. Plenty other to read them day for breaking news. Where you say you fish it on, you read them. Make we go for announce. We dey for we before just now. We go start with this a woman he own. A woman we dey so. Family people them for side for Yawin they talk say don't disappear. Douala Charlotte. They tell we the family they talk say any person don't see this picking. 67 not 43 316 679 337 86 not 838 68 3 646 468-973. Now the number that way they so you fit follow up on top this woman and they say plenty dash the with you. Another case for loss we'll get this afternoon. Now this other man, now some man we don't lost. They calling and Gaffy Christian he don't lost since. So the family from Gaffy the beg say any person where he don't see this their man, their brother, their papa, their uncle. Number for before tele, you fit just take you start for call the family, and if you take and go for any police house or gendarmerie there for corner, but if not be so, bring them for Tory house too, so that or we will go join for talk for the family say they don't see their picking. We don't finish story for this afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for say we don't join and we'll glad say maybe tomorrow we go meet up again. I want to say big thank you for Francis Boyom. We put camera for my before today. And at the same Francis Boyom, the maker you hear my voice and you see me for outside. Thank you plenty. Malice, it be there too for one side and even Manadine, where it will be there for sideway, it be the same image for this side. Country people them, if Papa got degree, now 8 o'clock again for Wednesday. We go meet up. On all I'm tired for outside.